Hi, this is Spoorthi. I'm pursuing BTech CSE in GM University. So here I am going to explain my topic that is University Database Management System, that is Fdbms assignment. Now I talk about the contents. What are the contents I included in this PPT? So introduction, objectives, main modules, database tables or schema, and normalization, code and output explanation, year diagram explanation, advantages and conclusion. Here these are the contents I'm going to explain in this video. So come to the first topic, that is introduction. Systems to store and manage university database. So here this university management system, this system we use it to store and manage the all the university data. This includes students and faculties and also courses and also exams. So what is the use of this means? It improves the speeds and accuracy and also reduces manual works, and sometimes it's prone to error. That error also reduces. Next content, objectives. So what are the main goals of this university database management system is to store student and faculty details. So here the objectives uh, or to store student and faculty details and manage courses and departments and handle the exams and results and provide easy and secure data access. So here in this we store the student details and also faculty details and manage their courses and departments. So which course they taken, which department they are, that also handles, and we also handles the exams and results in the store in the DBMS catalog, and also provides a easy and secure data. Means secure data means without error we giving the uh, secure data in this. So next, main modules. So what are the main modules we included in this system means, first one is student management, faculty management, course management, department management and examination management. So here these are the five modules we had implemented in this in these modules. So next, database tables or schema. So main tables in this system are, that is I already tell that the students, faculty, courses, department, exams and results. So these students are the schema. In this we included their entities. Their this is students is entity, and this id, name, department id, semester are the are their attributes of students. So faculty is the like entity or schema, that attributes are faculty id, name, department id and subject. Here course is the like entity or schema that included course id, name, credits, department id. Here schema means we are not added any values, we only define the schema, or we are only define the what the entities, we not actually adding the data. So that is the meaning of schema. And comes to this courses. Courses include course id, name, credits and department id. And departments include department id, department name. And exams, this schema includes exam id, data, course id. And results include results id, student id, exam id, marks, grade. So these are the schema. This is like a blueprint, we are not actually added the data. This is the schema of this system. So next comes to the normalization. So normalization is very important to reduce the redundancy. So first comes to the what is normalization. So normalization is the process of organizing the data in the database. So we organizing the data in the database. So what is the use of this? It helps to reduce redundancy. Redundancy means we store the same data multiple times, or also we call it as duplicate data. So this reduce of redundancy, it improves the data consistency and integrity. Consistency means without error we give the secure data, and integrity means that maintain efficiency. So normalization includes 1f, 2f, 3f. So 1f means one normal form or first normal form. So in this main rule is no repetitive values are there, only atomic value is there. And 2nf, that is second normal form. In this no partial dependency or data depends on the primary key. So no partial dependency means, what is the partial dependency means, data does that depend on the primary key. So comes to 3nf, third more normal form, that is no transitive dependency. Transitive dependence means data does not depend on the primary key. We remove the unnecessary data. So comes to the code and output. Your left side is SQL code and your output. So I insert in this value in a simple format. So I uh, implemented this SQL code. I insert in a very means big code converted into small code, that is a without adding large code, I given a simple code. So comes to the code, create database university db. So whenever we creating any database, any SQL code, so first we have to create first database with database that name, and here use university database. When we created the database, here next we must use that database name only. So that is the meaning of create database. Next, create tables. We have to create the table. So create a table, which this SQL code is a simple English form. So create a table. So we created a table of department. So in department we have um, attributes, department ID, int primary key. So int ID is the primary key, and department name, that is we in the form of var char of 50. So we created a table of department, and we also created a create table student. So we have to create department table, student table, course table, exam table. So we create a already table, that is department. So now we create table student. So in that there are the attributes are student ID, name, department ID, semester, and also foreign key will link to the and reference given in that. So that is reference given to department of department ID. So department table to we link this student table to department table. And here we mentioned that primary key, that is department ID. So then we create a table of course. So we create table course, that in that attributes are course ID, course name, credits, and department ID, and foreign key, that is, and reference key also department ID of department ID. Then we create a table of exam exam ID, that is a primary key, and course ID, that is in data date, um, that we given in the date only. So foreign key, that also we given reference key as course of course ID. So we created a tables. Then we insert the what are the we created tables, that are we also known as schema. In that we not added any values. So it is a blueprint of that. So we created a table, in that we insert a value. So we must use insert into the table name of department values. We inserted 1 comma CSE, and inserted student values 1 comma 1 Rahul 1 comma 5 and insert into course values we all inserted. And we created a table, we insert a values, then we display to display that we have to select the data. So we select which one. We select from student, we select from course. For example, I taken in this. So this is a simplified version of this code. This code is simplified version. So I showed to display data, I taken only two tables, that is select from student, select from courses. So we have created table, and we have also inserted the values. And now next process is we have to select which table we have to see in the output. So here the code is completed and output is like this, that is given output student table, course table, exam table, this type we have created code, and this is the output of this SQL code. So next comes to the here diagram. So year diagram. So what we this student, department, faculty, course, enrollment, result, and examination, these are the entities, and their values are the what we this rectangle boxes we have, what are we written, that is entities, and what are we in the diamond shape, that is we establish a relationship. What we see, that is m n1, they are the cardinality constants, means which way they are related to each which way they are related to each other, which way in the form of cardinality values we explain in this year diagram. So course, first we me taken a course that in filled in the course, that filled in the rectangle box, that is the entity. That attributes are like student course id, course name, semester, these are the attributes. So we establish a relationship, that is offers, that written in the diamond that is offers, that links to the department. So n to 1, so many courses that offers only that sorry department, one department offers many courses, that is the relationship. So department is one only, that we also written in a rectangle. So one department offers many courses, that we call coordinate 1 to n. So department course we have only 1 to n cardinality. So next, student, take an example of student, that we student enclosed in that rectangle box, that is the entity that had a relationships like name, what gender, student id, that relationship with enrollment, that relationship is enclosed in the diamond shape, that is enrolls. So many students have many and many enrollments, that's we define a relationship m to m, that is many enrollments, many students, and many enrollments. In this way we created a one entity, and we create also establish attributes, and also we establish relationships, and we also establish a coordinality constant. So student, here in the below left bottom of left side, we written in a student related to department, and means many students have one department, that's we coordinate constant n ratio 1. And faculty and faculty and department, in which way they are related, many faculty that belongs to one department, n to 1. And department to course, one department offers many courses, that 1 to n. And course and examination, one course that have some examination. So examination means many subjects, means like more than one subject we also called as n. So one course offers examination, many examination, that is 1 to n, we establish a cardinality relation. And student and course, many student and many course, so we establish a cardinality m to n. And student and result, so one student and many result. Many result means subjects are n, yeah, n, and also result are n. So student are 1, result are n. So student and result, we establish a relationship 1 to n. So this is the explanation, deep explanation of this year diagram. I hope you understand. So next, advantages. So what are the advantages of using this system? So this university database management system, this saves the time and reduces the errors, and secure data storage, means it store the data in a secure form, and easy report generation. So we store this data in this in this system, we easily report generation is also easy. So because everything is stored in the what DBMS catalog, so we easily report the generation. This also saves the time, and this also reduces the errors and data in the form of a secure way it stores. So next comes to the conclusion. So here we comes to the conclusion part, that is the end of this video. Conclusion: efficient system to manage university data. um, so conclusion, I concluded this video to this system we used means the system we have to use for improve speed, accuracy, organization. We store the data in the secure form, integrity form. So this management system uses in many way. So first point, efficient system to manage this is the efficient system means reliable system means trusted system to manage university data, and it also improves our speed and accuracy means without error, and organization is in the form of structured way. So this is the conclusion. So here I ended my video. So thank you for watching. This is the explanation of this university database management system. Thank you.